Hello everybody, I'm Michel Joliard. Welcome to the Dynar Summer School. In this first section, we are going to deal with a general introduction and I will show you how Dynar performs local approximation to solve dynamic stochastic general equilibrium model. In this first video, I will try to explain why we decided to start Dynar more than 25 years ago, what it does, and later on how to write a model in the Dynar modeling language.
Dynar is meant to handle structural models that rest on theory. In practice, restrictions implied by theory are very useful to solve various identification problems. DSG models are complex mathematical constructs for several reasons. The first one, DSG models are micro-founded. That means that the agent in the model behave as is described by microeconomic theory. That's implied several nonlinear relationships. Think of the decreasing marginal utility of consumer or decreasing marginal productivity. Therefore, we will have to handle at the onset nonlinear models. Then agents in the model engage in interporal optimization. That means that what will happen tomorrow and in the following period matter for them. Households want to smooth consumption in the future, and firms perform investment planning, worrying what a given investment will return in the future. When expectation matter, but it is difficult to describe exactly how agents engage actually in forming expectation. For this reason, in this SG model, we use a radical shortcut. We use rational high expectation. That means that we postulate that agents form expectation that correspond to the forecast of the model itself. Then the economic model is affected by stochastic shock that represent external effects that are not described by the model itself. Those stochastic shocks push the economic system away from equilibrium, and there is an endogenous dynamics that bring it back towards equilibrium. The composite effect of many successive stochastic shocks is a device that let the SG model generate fluctuation that looks like the business cycle. In summary, from a mathematical point of view, for solving the model, we need to be solving a nonlinear, stochastic, forward-looking model under rational expectation. Do that requires a computer and various algorithms. We will discuss later in the presentation. We thought it useful to collect those algorithms in a single software platform that is Dynar. It is a toolbox with cutting-edge algorithm to handle DSG models. It is also a modeling language that lets you, the user, represent the models that you want to analyze and describe the computing task that you want Dynar to perform for you. Such an approach implied a very clear separation between, on the one hand, the particular model that you, the user, want to communicate to Dyna. On the other hand, the computing function that we provide and that are meant to handle an entire family of DSG model. In more detail, Dynar computes the solution of deterministic model with an arbitrary accuracy. In deterministic model, we postulate that agents know exactly the future. Solving stochastic model is more complex, and for medium to large size model, we can only provide local approximation of the trajectory. More precisely, with Dynar, you can compute first, second order, or higher order approximation to the solution of stochastic models. Dynar also lets you estimate the parameter of the DSG model with Bayesian approach, which is a recommended way of doing things, but also with maximum likelihood or with method of moment. You can do that for linear, but also for nonlinear model with a particle filter. Dynar checks for identification of estimated parameter. It can compute optimal policy for a given model. It can perform global sensitivity analysis of a model, meaning describing the qualitative feature of a model over a large range of parameters. We also provide a model for Bayesian VAR and Markov switching Bayesian VAR, mostly as a benchmark for comparing DSG model. And finally, Dynar has a macro language to facilitate entering repetitive expression, and a reporting facility that let you collect graphs and tables in reports that are very useful in productive environment.